In this video from Casio Help, we're looking at periodic reporting on the SR-C550 register. So we've already explained about X reads in a previous video. X reads are non-resetting reports, so they just give you the information that has happened on the till since the last time the appropriate Z report was run. In the Z file we have the same reports, but this time the data resets. So when you run a Z report, it gives you the same information that you would get on an X report, but it resets the data back to zero apart from the non-resettable grand total. What it does do in the Z file, that when it does the Z report and resets it, it pushes all the information on into the periodic reporting. So if we now turn the key round to X2 Z2, we can see here that we've got periodic reports. So if we look down at the two Z ones, we've got periodic 1Z. If we run that report now, what's on this report information is a consolidation of all the Z reports that we've run since the last time we ran a periodic 1Z. So you don't have to use the periodic reporting, but you can use it to check everything's okay on the till. So if you open, say for example for a week, and you open 7 days a week, you should have 7 daily Z reports, and you could check that they were all okay by running a periodic report at the end of the week, and that periodic 1Z report would be a consolidation of all 7 of your Z reports. We can prove the point by running another periodic 1Z report, which I'm now expecting to be empty apart from the grand total. What this means is that this periodic 1Z report has also now wiped itself down, but it has shoved all the data into a 2Z file. We've run a 2Z. This is going to be exactly the same as the first 1Z report, periodic 1Z report we ran, but it just proves how far the data goes back. So again, you don't have to use the periodic 2Z function, but it is there, and you can use it to your advantage by running a Z report every day. So a daily Z report every single day, which resets back to zero apart from the GT. You can then use your periodic 1Z report for either a weekly or a monthly or a quarterly report, but you must remember the till doesn't know that it's running a weekly, monthly or quarterly report. It just thinks it's running a report since the last time the report was run. So it's down to the routines that you put in place. So if you want to use your periodic 1Z for weekly reporting, you must run the periodic 1Z every week, every Saturday at midnight, every Friday at 5:30. Whatever routine you need to follow it. The same applies for the periodic Z2. If you're using your 1Z for weekly sales, you can use the periodic 2Z for monthly sales or quarterly sales, but again the same rules apply. It's got to be done at the same time period each time. The tills aren't clever enough for you to be able to come back to it and say, I want to see what I did from March to July 2017. Just doesn't happen. You have to do the report for the time period that you want it to run. So every month, every quarter or every year, whatever but again, you don't have to use it, but that's the functions that are there. The only thing you should be aware of when you look in the Z and X reports, you've got a lot of reports to do with PLUs and groups. You don't get that information on the periodic reporting. You only get the financial. I hope that's cleared things up. For more information on the SR-C550 and other Casio cash registers, you can click on the video links that are appearing on screen now. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel, or you can visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.